I would say keep working hard, keep making works, and keep exploring and being honest to what you're interested in. The IMPART Award gives emerging artists the free rein to explore their own practice without demanding a kind of outcome as part of the program, and it allows us to sort of think further about our practices by going on the New York trip, exposing ourselves to different industries and also to networks, which I think it's really wonderful as an experience. So since the IMPART Awards, I've been involved in a couple of exhibitions. One of them includes the current Art Science Museum exhibition, Futures Imagined 2219. And that was a piece that was taken from the show I did earlier this year with Grey Projects on the stories of a woman and her dowry. After the award as well, I got to know more people, especially in the New York scene, since we were there for our study trip, and also got to see many artists' works that were exploring topics about the body, about cultural wounds, about migration, which has added a whole layer of understanding for me as a Singaporean artist, as well as someone who exists in a global world, and how they deal with these topics. One of the areas that I'm going into right now is to think a little bit more about AI, artificial intelligence, in the way we frame our bodies, and also how we think about existing in bodies because of the way technology is evolving over time. This has brought me to the route down computer graphics, animation, which I was trained in previously, but now have the opportunity to go back into, and also explore different fields of technology, including VR, things like that. I got to spend time with Priya and Kimberly and meet new friends during the trip. We had a great time together that was to be very valuable, and also going to see all the different museums and having time to explore the more independent spaces around New York and meeting people who are living in New York and have spent time understanding the art scene there. I think it's really a privilege to have that opportunity to be able to spend time there. I would say keep working hard, keep making works, and keep exploring and being honest to what you're interested in, and also to realize that we don't exist in a bubble and that we exist in a society as well, and in an international scene. So having connections, meeting people, talking to people, and also people from a variety of backgrounds, economic classes, different kinds of belief systems. I think it aids one's practice and expands one's understanding of the world, which will then help the practice develop over time.